Listen.
Yeah.
Look what we got.
We have the Earth Throne. This is the new generation toilet riser. Let's see what's in the box first here. So let's see. Take this out.
All right. This out of the way.
Nice. Okay. Let me open this up. Ooh, it's like a foam. Yeah, it's like a hard, dense cell foam. Not to be mistaken for cell phone.
Oh no, that's a totally other video.
Totally different thing. So check that out. That is very interesting. So it's got this piece here. This looks like it's kind of a splash guard. Yeah, it's
but
foam.
It's not real soft, is it? I mean, it's firm, but it's you
firm.
can tell it's foam. Yeah,
yeah,
that's awesome.
yeah. So we're going to put this on the toilet and check it out.
Now it says that it's no tools.
Yes.
To install. Clearly
no tools. Fits any.
Lift the lid up.
Yep. Lift the lid and the seat. Fits any size toilet. So you take this ring right here. You're putting it inside your toilet just like that.
Now that seat, the toilet we have, is elongated?
Yes, it's an elongated. Yep. So it fits that. Looks like it fits that. Let me see here. Yeah. And you can kind of align it where you need it. And then here's the thing is when you sit down, it kind of has, with the foam, it kind of compresses that a little bit and helps with the seal on the toilet. So sitting on here, you know, it feels very, very sturdy. It doesn't rock side to side or front to back. So it feels very sturdy. So with that compression or your weight, it kind of seals that foam.
Is it comfortable?
Next to the toilet. Yeah, it's fairly comfortable. No, the interesting thing is one of the biggest complaints we have with bedside commodes or risers or things like that the opening is too small. And this one is very nice. It is large. It feels a little bit different because it's bigger. But yeah, it's comfortable. It's comfortable to sit on. And with this rise, we measured. So right here at the front of this, it's about 3.5 inches. As it goes back a little bit with the foam padding, it's about 4 inches. So it's kind of in between that 3.5, 4-inch rise. But you know, picking this up right off the toilet, putting it right on.
It'd be great for travel.
I know. Just having that, you know, I mean, this is not that heavy. It's going to be easily cleanable.
Yeah.
There's no tools to put it on or put it off. So, you know, we always are checking out hotel rooms, and a lot of those have those low-lying standard toilets.
Just a standard toilet.
I mean, what a great thing to travel with.
Tell me about this front part here. It's like looks like a little cutout.
Yeah, it does look like, kind of like a splash guard, I would say.
Okay.
You know, that might be actually beneficial to guys if they have to sit down when they're toileting. You know, just have that little extra cutout there. To assist.
And the top of it has like some little squirt, almost looks textured.
I know. It looks like quilted. It looks like it's quilted. Yes, it looks like it's quilted.
Yeah.
So very, very interesting. I like that. I was surprised at the stability once you're sitting on it. Now we do want to say, you know, if you are somebody that needs hand push-offs, because a lot of times we have to push off, you know, this may not be appropriate, or if you're using this, you may need to substitute with something to push off with as well. But if it's just merely needing that a little extra height on your toilet, especially when you're traveling, you really need to check out Earth Throne.